Our team started in 2014 and we built 3 cars since then, but this is the first time we're at the Chicago Auto Show, and this is the largest event and show that our team has ever been to in our history. Driving up the truck and trailer through McCormick Place and coming into the heart of Chicago, seeing all the supercars and major car companies, Ford, Tesla, Lucid, bring all their new model cars was definitely crazy. And for us to have our car next to some of the newest generation electric vehicles is definitely incredible.
Well, I came by and I said to the team, you guys are killing it. You've been everywhere in the media, and now, you know, the crowd is here and they're enjoying what you have to show. We've always had student teams in the show, and we give them free space because they add to the flavor of the show. They always bring great content.
At its heart, we're a student-led team. We're designing, building, and racing the world's best solar electric vehicle here at the University of Illinois. But I think it's a proof of concept about the capability and the future of not only electric vehicles, but potentially the advent of solar electric vehicles that are being explored by some of the companies today.
The Chicago Auto Show is all about the future. And that's why we have the CDE track. Chicago Drives Electric was 2 brands 2 years ago. It's 9 brands this year, plus Hyundai has its own electric track, and the solar vehicle is just a natural extension of that.
So our car without a driver weighs around 360 pounds, and our car can actually reach top speeds of upwards of 70 miles per hour. The shape of the car was optimized by our team to be really aerodynamic, aero efficient. So actually, you know, to some of the electric vehicles on the side, it puts those to shame. So over the past 2 weeks, we were trying to get our car prepared for the auto show appealing-wise, which meant getting the top of the car wrapped.
This isn't our main top shell with the solar panels, this is a display's top shell. So attendees, if they donate to our team, will get the opportunity to sign their own names, or if it's a company, their business name on our second top shell.
We're in the works of trying to get closer relationships and support from some of these teams, such as Lucid and Tesla, to also offer opportunities for our students back on campus.
Well, it's so important to have students like the Illini Solar Car team on the show floor, because not only do they give everyone a glimpse of the technology of the future, but they also give young people the idea that, oh, there could be a future in that. I could learn like these guys. I could have a project like this at school. Wouldn't that be fun?
I didn't expect the amount of impressions, the amount of smiles, the amount of conversations to have with all the people at the Chicago Auto Show. And it's been an incredible opportunity for us to not only showcase our newest car, but to showcase our team and also the University of Illinois. So it's been incredible hearing all the compliments and getting all the support that we can as we lead into the preparation for our competition this July.